A few days later, on November 5th, which is the day of Bonfire Night, the Bad Piggies came back to watch the real Bonfire Night Fireworks. Let's see what they're up to again. Oh yes, Piggies, today is officially Bonfire Night. Yep, you're right, Chef Pig. Yeah, I can't wait to see the all-new fireworks. I hope it's going to be a lot more than last time. Yeah, same for me. I liked those fireworks last time. Over on the other side. Yeah, I can't wait for these fireworks to happen. Yeah, of course. Woo! Yep, more fireworks means more fun, of course. You're right. A few minutes later, the pigs finally saw that the fireworks were starting. Hooray! We're starting off the fireworks now! Woohoo! Yeah! Well, that was just a few starter fireworks, of course. Yeah, I know. Well, I'm glad that the fireworks are starting now, Piggies. Yep, you're right, Chef Pig. There isn't that many fireworks in a minute. I guess we'll have to wait, and then the first batch should start. Never mind. There isn't the first batch yet. Yeah, you might. Yeah, same for me. Me free. Oh, I saw something. Hey, look! There's more starter fireworks coming. Woohoo! I guess that indicates that the fireworks might be starting in a minute. Those are just starter fireworks. Awesome. There's no explosions happening. Whoa, that was a high one. Whee! So it looks like they're launching, but in reality they're actually not exploding. Okay, those starter fireworks are finished. Well, yeah, I guess we're just having some starter fireworks first. Yep. Anyways, looks like we'll have to wait until the first batch starts. Hey, wait, Piggies! I think the first batch might be starting. I heard some. Oh. Never mind. Oh! Look at this! Wow, look at these, Piggies! Looks like more starter fireworks. Yeah. It was just little ones, though. Yeah, those seem pretty cool. Yeah, unlike the normal fireworks. Oh, what's that? That made me laugh a little. Out of all those tiny little explosions, there was one big bang for some reason. There might be two sets of fireworks going up at once. Whoa. Well, guess that's the end of those starter fireworks. It looks like a few of them launched up at the same time. Yep, you're right, Chef Pig. Oh, is there more coming? Oh, yep, there is more coming. So there's more starters right there. Oh! Whoa, look at those ones! The first batch has started, Piggies. Magnificent, I say. Wow, look at them. Well, this is just the first batch of fireworks. There's going to be a lot more batches coming up this Bonfire Night here, Piggies. Yes, you're right, King Pig. Oh, look, there's another few fireworks. Whoa, good ending to the first batch there. Magnificent. Well, there goes the first batch. Yep. You're right. We're just going to wait for the second batch now. Ow! Oh, sorry that, Minion Pig. We'll get you up in a minute. Okay. Hey, Piggies, look! I think the second batch is just about to start, with a few starting fireworks. Yep, I see them, Piggies. Like greens and purples. That's pretty cool. But when are the actual fireworks going to launch? for the second batch. Whoa, there was like 5 of them. Whoa! I guess that was a big explosion there. Oh. Well, looks like both starting fireworks are over. Yep. Whoa, looks like we gotta wait for the actual second batch of fireworks to start, piggies. Yep, you're right, Fat Pig. Okay, so nothing yet, piggies. Well, there might be another few fireworks coming up in a minute. Oh, there we are. Looks like there's more starter ones. Nice. Well, those are just little bitty ones right there. Those like really tiny fireworks. Whoa, there's a little bit of crackle right there. Guess that starting firework set is over. Yep, okay. Maybe the next ones will be the actual fireworks for batch 2. Which will be the ending part. Sorry, I had to clear my throat, piggies. Oh, there's something happening. Oh, is that it? Oh, whoa, look at that one. Wow, that was a big one. I guess that might have been just a one-off firework like last time. Yeah. Anyways, piggies, I think there's more starting fireworks coming up. Or maybe the actual fireworks for batch 2. Oh, right. I think batch 2 might be over now. I guess it was only a starting batch. Yep, you're right. Okay, we'll just have to wait until the third batch then. Hey piggies, I see something. I guess this might be the start of a third batch, piggies. Yeah, I saw a few flashes going high up. That might be fireworks. Yeah, you're right. Oh! Wow, look at that one. That might have been a one-off. Maybe a one-off firework. Yeah, you're right. That was a cool one, though. Anyways. Oh. Oh, there was nothing there. Okay. Okay. Oh! We saw an off firework right there. We didn't see that one. But there was a bang there. Okay. Any more fireworks? Not fireworks, come on. We need more piggy fireworks. I guess they're not appearing. Yeah, you're right. Some piggy cars in the distance. There's even a little piggy truck over there. I guess those are just more of... Oh, wait! Whoa! I actually did not make a bang there. That's weird. But it was just a normal firework. Yeah, that's weird. A normal firework that actually didn't make a bang sound. Well, I guess that was another one-off then. So, yeah. Well, I guess that wasn't really batch 3 fireworks, but yeah. I guess those are just more from batch 2. Maybe. Yeah. I guess so too, Fat Pig. I guess they're only shooting one of fireworks now. What was that sound? I don't know. That sounded a bit scary, Piggy, for me. It's not even Halloween now. Fat Pig. Yeah, I know. Well, it's just gone Halloween. Well, it's not Bonfire Night. Where are the fireworks? The only thing I can see is Piggy cars. I guess we'll have to wait then. Yep, agreed. Oh, look at this, Piggies! There's more fireworks coming. I guess this is the start of batch 3. Woohoo! Oh, that was only a few of them, though. Yeah. Like, I only saw a few of those fireworks there. Yeah, agreed. I think there might be more starter fireworks though. Yeah, I like those starter fireworks. They're a bit different than the others. I heard another one-off firework there. Looks like that's not there. Yeah, looks like it was just a one-off. Yeah. Right. Well, maybe on a later time, we might get even more fireworks than before. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Stormtrooper Pig. Yeah, I think we'll stop the fireworks for now. Oh! Whoa, I just saw a bit of a one-off there. Yeah. I guess we managed to catch that one, at least. Well, I guess that's the first part of batch 3. We'll just have to wait until the next fireworks come. Yep. I saw some of their piggies, look! There seems to be more coming. I think this is batch 4, piggies. Woohoo! Great job! Yeah, great job, piggy launchers. Lighting those fireworks. Look at them. Oh, wow, look at these cool ones. Whoa, that was amazing. Pig-tastic, I say. Yeah, definitely right there. Well, just gotta wait until more fireworks show up, I guess. Which might take a bit of a while, because I know on early times some of these fireworks take a bit of a while, don't they? Yeah, you're right. Well, I guess that's the first set of fireworks for batch 4, I guess, or maybe the only set. May as well have to wait until the next set comes. Chef Pig? Yes, Fat Pig? I just realised something. There hasn't even been any fireworks in a while. Ouch, you ran over me a bit. Oh, sorry, Minion Pig. But anyways, there hasn't been any fireworks in a while. Yeah, I know. I guess the piggy launchers are taking a break from launching their fireworks for now, Fat Pig. Yeah, I think you're right. Anyways, I guess we'll just have to wait until, I guess, batch 5 starts. Yep, you're right, Chef Pig. So I don't see any more fireworks anymore. Well, that's unfortunately because all the fireworks have unfortunately ended for today. So yes, so we'll have to wait until next Bonfire Night, Fat Pig. Oh, alright, Chef Pig. Yeah, well, unfortunately the fireworks ended a bit earlier than expected, but yeah. Alright, yeah, you're right. Anyways, why not just head back to the Piggy House? Yeah. Sure thing, Mustache Pig. Back in the Piggy House. The pigs have made it back to the Piggy House, as it's the end of Bonfire Night. Well, that was a pretty good Bonfire Night, wasn't it, Chef Pig? Yes, you're right. It was really good, wasn't it? Even though there were only 4 batches of fireworks, but yeah, that's fine. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, same for me. We'll just have to wait until the next Bonfire Night, see if there are any more fireworks. Yep, I guess that's it then. Bonfire Night is over, piggies, and we'll hope to catch you again next Bonfire Night. So yes, anyways, I'm just gonna go to bed. Wait for me too.